and instrumentation design. The first chapter is the transducer and interfacing. The sensor and transducer. What do you mean by the sensor? The sensor is the sensing the device element of that the environment and the detection. The a knowledge of the performance for that the characteristics of and the instrumentation and the more suitable instrumentation for that the specific measuring jobs. It is consisted the two basic characteristics, that means the first one is the static and the second one is the dynamic. In that the static characteristics, the static characteristics of an instrumentation are in general considered for that the instrument which are used for that the measure unvarying process condition. All the static performance characteristics are obtained by the one from or the another from that the process for that the calibration. There are the number of the related definitions which are described the accuracy, precision, repeatability, resolution, error, sensitivity. The first one is the instrument. That means the a device of the mechanism used to determine that the present value of the quantity under that the measurement. The second one is the measurement. The process of the determining amount, degree and the capacity by that the comparison with the accepted standards of that the system being used. दॅट मीन्स द तुम्ही जी प्रोसेस करणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये तुमचे अमाऊंट, डिग्री, कॅपॅसिटी कंपॅरिझन केलं जातं. द थर्ड वन इज द ॲक्युरसी. द डिग्री ऑफ द एक्झॅक्टनेस, दॅट मीन्स द क्लोजनेस ऑफ द मेजरमेंट compared between the desired value, that means the accepted value. The fourth one is the resolution. The smallest change in the measured variable to which and the instrument will respond, that means the smallest change of the measurement. एखादा क्वचित झालेला बदल ही तुमची काय असू शकते, रिझॉल्युशन. द नेक्स्ट इज द प्रिसिजन. अ मेजर ऑफ द कन्सिस्टन्सी or that the repeatability of measurements. It is the successive reading do not differ of that the instrument output for that the value of the input. The next is the accepted value. The the design of the value is the most probable value that calculation indicate the one should accept to that the measure. The next one is the error. The deviation of the true value for that the desired value. The next one is the security. The ratio of the change of the output of the instrument and to change of the input of the measured variable. That means the error in that the measurement. The measurement is the process of the comparison unknown quantity with and the accepted standard quantity. It involves the connecting measuring instrument into that the system under the consideration and the observing the resulting response on that the instrument. The measurement does obtained the quantitative measure of that the called that the true value. That means it is very difficult to define the true value than the term of the accepted value. And any measurement of the affected by the many variables, therefore the result reflect the accepted value. For example, connecting a measuring for that the instrument into the circuit under the consideration always disturb that the circuit because this measurement differ from that the accepted value. Some factor affect the measurement are related to that the measuring instrument. Otherwise the factors are related to the person using that the instrument, the degree which is measurement near that the accepted value, and it is expressed for that the errors of the measurement. Errors may become expressed either absolute or that the percentage of the error. Absolute error may be defined as the difference between the accepted value of the variable and the measured value of the variable. The next is the static error. The types of the static error. The static error of the measuring instrument is the numerical difference between the true value of the quantity and the value obtained by that measurement. That means the repeated measurement of the same quantity gives the different indication. Static error are categorized by the gross error, human, that means the or human error. Second one is the systematic error, and third one is the random error. The first is the gross error. These errors are mainly due to the human mistake in the reading or using the instrument, or that the errors recording for that the observation. Errors may also occur due to the incorrect adjustment of the instrument and the computational mistakes. These errors cannot be treated mathematically. The complete elimination of the gross errors is not possible, but one can be minimized them. Some errors are easily detected too, while the may be the exclusive. One of the basic gross errors are occur frequently is the improper use of the instrument. The error can be minimized by the taking proper care the reading, recording and the measurement parameters. In general, the indication instrument change the ambient condition to the some extent when the connected into the complete circuit. That means the second error is the systematic error. This error occur due to the shortcoming of that the instrument, such as the defective or the worn parts of the against the environment of the instrument. These errors are sometimes referred as to the bias, and they influences all the measurement of that the quantity. A constant uniform deviation operation of that the instrument is known as the systematic error. This systematic error basically into the three types. First one is the instrumentation, second one is the environmental, and third one is the observation. In that the instrumentation error, the instrumental error inherent measuring instruments because of their mechanical structure, and that the instrumentation error can be avoided by the selecting the suitable instrument at particular measurement application. And second one is the applying the correction factors after determining the amount of the instrumentation error. The third one is the calibrating instrument against that the standard. In that the environmental error are due to the condition external measuring device. This error can be avoided by the air conditioning using that the magnetic shield. Third is the observational error. In that the observational errors are error introduced by the observer. The most common errors parallax error that introduced by the reading meter scale, and the error of the estimation when the obtaining reading from that the meter scale. This error caused by the habits of the individual observer. The third error is the random error. These are error that thus remains the after gross and systematic error have been the substantially reduced, at least the accounted for. That the random error are generally accumulation large number of the small effect may be the real concern, or that the requiring the high degree of the accuracy. These error are also unknown causes, not determinable ordinary process of making measurement. Such errors are normally small and follow for that the laws of the probability. The dynamic characteristics of the instrumentation is the rarely response for the instantaneously changes in that the measurement variable. The dynamic behavior of an instrument is determined by the subjecting primary element to some unknown predetermined variation in the measured quantity. There are the three most common variation measured quantity, that is the step change, linear change and the sinusoidal change. In that the step change in which the primary element is subjected to and the instantaneous finite change of the measured variable. in that the linear change in which the primary element is following the measured variable, that is the changing linearity with that the time, and that the sinusoidal change in which the primary element follows the measured variables and the magnitude of the change in accordance to the sinusoidal function. The dynamic characteristics is the first one is the speed of the response. It is the rapidity in which the instrument responds to change the measured quantity. The second one is the fidelity. It is the degree to which instrument indicates the change in the measured variable without dynamic error. The third one is the lag. It is the retardation of the delay response of that the instrument change in the measured variable. And the fourth one is the dynamic error. It is the difference between true value of the quantity changing with that time and the value indication by that instrumentation if the no static error is assumed.